so long, I'm here to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do.
I literally am like shook. Like I'm shook. Hold on. Now I'm giving you island vibes. I think so. I literally need to go out. Like vacation vibes. I can't. Like, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to recreate this look. So I'm going to be using the Perception palette by Makeup Shayla. This is a palette that she collabed with Colorpop. Shadows are bomb. Like, I don't even need to say anything. Like, they are life. They're giving me like warm, like summer vibe. Another thing I like about this palette is there's a mirror in the palette. Like, that's a really pet peeve of mine, is when there's no mirror. And then also the naming, all the names for the shadows are down below. That's another thing of mine. Like, I hate when okay, besides Morphe, okay, because everybody just gotta love Morphe, but besides Morphe, I don't like when like companies come out with palettes and then the names are just on the back, or the names are nowhere to be found. So yeah, those are two things I really love, besides the fact that these colors are just freaking awesome, and they're just giving me like all these types of like island feels and like warm summer vibes. I just love it, and I'm very impressed with it. So let's just get into the tutorial. I'm gonna put some concealer on my eyelids, and I'm just gonna blend that out. So I think I'm gonna do a warm look with these colors right here, and then like one of these two glitters. I'm gonna be picking up Culture, and I'm gonna put that into my crease. And then you always want to like tap out the excess, just so that you don't have like fallout all on your eyes. And I totally forgot to set my concealer on my eyes, but I think I should be okay, because the concealer that I use is a really like matting concealer, so I should be fine. I shouldn't have like any patchiness, which I don't. Nope. So I'm good. I lucked out. I literally lucked out. This color is like such a great transitioning color. It's like perfect warm tones, perfect summer transition color. And I'm just building that up. Okay, so going in with that same brush, I'm gonna go ahead and take Thick. So this is a more of an orange color. This is really gonna like give us that orangey feel. I mean, because it is an orange color, but you know what I mean. It's gonna give us that sunset, orange, tropical color. Something that I'm going for. And then a trick I do with all of my colors, like from transitioning color to when I'm putting that deep color into my eyes, I always blend it out. Like, I fan it out just so that when you're going right here, it just all comes together. And I'm going to take it all the way down to this corner, just because I want it to be like really smoked out. And I'm going to come in with the color Revenge, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out in my crease. This is just going to create that like depth into my crease. And this is literally a color that's just setting me up for my darker shade. I don't know why I'm always so calm when I'm doing makeup videos. Like, it could be the fact that like makeup calms me down, like doing makeup calms me down, or it could be a fact that I'm trying to get my point across, like when I'm doing these tutorials on like how I do it and like how to do it and like little tips. Like, I don't know if that's what it is, but I feel like I need to find the balance, because I don't want to be dry, you know what I mean? And I feel like I'm so dry right now. That's why like in the editing I try to like bring out my personality more. But yeah, I guess that's what vlogs are for. I want to start doing more vlogs just so that you guys can see my personality and it's not just like me explaining on how to do something in a video. So I'm just going to go with this smaller brush and I'm going to get played out. And I'm going to put that in the corner. I'm going in with this smaller brush just so that I have control of the shadow. And that I'm not like getting it everywhere, you know what I mean? I'm just getting it in the areas that I want it to go. So you see how I'm like staying like closer down and I'm not going too far up. If I was like using like a regular brush, like I don't know, like a big brush like this or something, the shadow would have just blurred all of this right here. So it basically like took it over. So that's why you want to go in with like a smaller brush just to be like super precise with the color. It's literally all about blending out and then using the right brushes. And then you just want to blend out. Boom, 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 boom. And there you have it. Yes, I'm literally loving this. Like this is popping. Popping to the max. I'm going to go in with Spill the Tea. We're going to have to spill some tea today. Okay, some nice hot fresh chisme. And we're going to spill that tea all over this face. Okay? Okay. So I'm just going to pop that on my lid, and I'm using this flat brush by Morphe, I believe. Yep, the R42 if you are interested. I really like want the color to be like more smoky, more or less than like a boom dramatic glitter, you know what I mean? So if I was trying to do too much with the glitter, I would have put a base down, which aka like a concealer or like a white cream shadow, and then I would have put this on there if I wanted to like cut the crease or like be super dramatic with the glitter in the eye, on the eyelid. But we're gonna keep it humble today. Okay, we're gonna humble ourselves and we are gonna keep it cute, and we're gonna spill some tea and we're just going to build up this color. Yes, I think I'm liking this. Like for sure. I feel like this is super cute. It's slaying, but it's like not too much, you know what I mean? Guys, so we're gonna do our bottom lash line. So what I'm going to pick up is, I'm gonna pick up Revenge, and we used this color in our crease before. So I'm gonna pick that up. I want this bottom eye to be very smoked out, very bold, and just very like dark and deep. So I'm going to go ahead and smoke it out. I can hold the... And you see how like it just all goes together. So since we were blending out that color, when I'm putting on the bottom lash eyeshadow, it just literally all blends together. Like it makes like a V. So now I'm going to take Played Out, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that, just stack that on top of Revenge. So there you go, my lashes are on, and now I'm going to do some lips. So now I'm going to take this chestnut lip pencil from MAC that's holding on to dear life, and I'm going to go ahead and outline my lips. So now I'm going to be taking Quickie, and I'm going to put that on my lips. Don't be scared. So now I'm going to top off that lip combo with Neat Freak from the collection. And and this color is so pretty. This is like the bombest lip gloss ever. I literally wear this gloss just by itself like half the time. Look at how, ooh, look how poppin' that is. Ooh, yes. I love it. So next for highlighter, I'm going to go in with Boomin'. This highlighter is from the collection as well. It's super bomb. I like my highlighter to be like overwhelming. I like it to be very subtle. So that's why I just put it on with my fingers, just so that it's not doing too much. So it's very subtle. It's not like too much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you guys like this, please give it a thumbs up. If you are not subscribed yet, please subscribe. All you gotta do is scroll down below and then it should say subscribe on the right hand corner. You just click that button, and then also you can go ahead and click that bell for post notifications. So what that means basically is you click the bell, and then every time that I upload, you'll have a notification sent to your phone. So that's really cool. A good way to stay updated with me and my videos, and there'll be more soon. Thank you guys for watching so much. I really appreciate it.